Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you to a new update about Neptune Network. Yeah, so today we'll be talking about a lot of things about the DEFI trade, and people have been getting me wrong. So this is what we'll be doing right now. So my previous videos, I always made you aware that if you have release anti-Quen and you don't participate in DEFA trade, if 10th September, probably they say, okay, right now we have opened the 10, but so cash out, they will destroy people who haven't joined the DEFA trade. So my problem right now is that right now you have release Quen, so you can convert some to USDT and join the DEFA trade, as simple as that. Yeah. And I also told you that if you are new to Neptune Network and you haven't joined the DEFA trade, this is what you have to expect. I've never said anything about the new ones. I said the old ones. If you have the not release and the release Quen, that means if you don't join the DEFA trade, September, they will cancel your coins. But if you don't have the release coins and the not release coins, that one I will not force you to join a DEFA trade. I will not tell you to deposit money from your wallet to this account. I will not tell you that. But my problem is that if you have the release coins and you haven't participated in DEFA trade, I think it's best for you to participate, because when you read their thing, they said till 10th September, if you haven't joined the DEFA trade, your release coins will be destroyed. They will destroy it. So since you have the release coins, what is holding you down? Though people have been saying that Neptune Network is scam, people also believe that 10th September can be surprise. And let me tell you one thing. I think last year, so right now I've joined the DEFA trade for I used just 10 USD and I've earned $30 from it. You see, yeah, you can see the not rewards. These people I invited them to the platform. If I go to my team, so that my team are making a lot of money. You see, 13,000 plus for just my V1, the V2 to their day. You see, people are making money. Yeah. And let me say one thing. Last year, they made the same thing. Like me, I thought like they were gone. I thought like this platform is not a money-making platform. Until I think this year January going, and I saw that like truly Neptune Network is making people cash out. You see, yeah. So they can repeat the same. So just have hope and join the DEFA trade. If only you have the release coin and you haven't joined the DEFA trade right now, join the DEFA trade. Either the USDT or the Sean. But if you don't have any release coins, I will not advise you to join the DEFA trade. But if you have some and you haven't joined the DEFA trade, I will tell you to join the DEFA trade. Yeah, I've come, like I've encountered a lot of people, like their comments, and they'll be like, "Yo, it's a scam. They are gone," and things. Last year, the same thing happened. So let me exchange this thing first. Yeah. Let me refresh it. Right now I have 2,580. So imagine if they open it, bro, I'm cashing out big time. If they say 15th September, we have opened our withdrawal this thing, bro, I'm cashing out. I'm cashing out big time, bro. Yeah. And the reason why I said that you have to exchange your NT coin right now is that right now the NT coin is 2 USDT. Hey, they can say that okay, we have opened it, then the NT coin will fall to 0.00001. So just do it. Exchange it. If you haven't joined the DEFI trade, click on the DEFI icon. It will take you to the DEFI trade, either USDT or Tron. Participate one, or you will lose all these things. You will lose your release coins and the NT coins. You will lose everything if only you have the coins and you haven't participated in the DEFI trade. That's what they are saying, because now when they open, they will find some chances to cancel people's accounts. I'm telling the truth. They will find some chances to cancel people's accounts. So don't be a victim. If you have the release and the not release coin, join the DEFI trade right now. People will be saying that, oh, bro, like they are gone. So me, I will not do anything. You will lose your USDT, your NT, and you will lose everything. You just join the DEFI trade and let's wait for 15. It's just around the corner. So if you say you will not do they are gone, you don't do they are gone, then they will like 15 come and they open it. You will see that you have been played. That is why I'm saying that right now you have release coins. Just join the DEFI trade. When they open it for real, we're cashing out. And to me, I believe they will open it. I believe they will open it. So if you also believe they will open it, you can comment I believe. I believe in Neptune. I believe in Neptune in the comment section if you believe they will open it. And if you don't believe, say I don't believe in Neptune Network. Comment and let's get a trend start. Because right now people have been cashing out on the platform, and if they open this thing here, the way people will make money there. You see, the people will make money. So, and all these things, if you haven't joined the DEFI trade, they will cancel everything. They will cancel it. It's that thing. They will cancel everything. They will cancel it. Right now, they have reduced the DEFI trade to 10 USDT. So if you have the release coins, just join the DEFI trade with just 10. You see, because like right now, if you're converting 1 USDT to NT, is 0.5 NT. You see, so it means that right now the NT is even stronger than the USDT. And that's where people still don't think it's legit. That when the NT is going up and the US is coming down. It's possible, bro. It's possible. It's possible. And people have been saying that right now their liquidity is 0, so it means that they have withdraw all their funds. Blah blah blah. Bro, they say 15th. Let's just wait till the 15th. So please, if you haven't joined the DEFI trade and you have the release coins, not release coins, join it or you will lose all your funds. That's the update I'm giving you right now. That if you have the release coins and you haven't joined the DEFI trade, just join it or you may end up losing all your fun. Yeah, you may end up losing all your fun. So you just join it and let's hope for the best. Is right then. Let's hope that everything will be successful and we'll be able to cash out our money. Because like if you don't join it and they open it, and when I said okay, those who are in a DEFI trade are only people that can withdraw it. How can you withdraw your money? So that's why I'm doing this video, to create awareness that if you haven't joined a DEFI trade right now, do it. Do it right now, or you may end up losing your money. Do this right now. Yeah. Do this right now. It will not cost anything from you. You see, right now too. And the one thing I don't believe is that, like, they just land their farm game. So how can they run away? They just landed their farm game. Oh. So why you? Let's wait, and I'll be bringing you more updates. Yeah. So I think this video makes sense, and thanks for watching me. And I'll be bringing you more updates about Neptune Network. Yeah, what you have to know before the September. Yeah, because I will not be happy seeing you losing your fun. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.